Hello, everyone, and welcome to Main Street Digital Academy. Now, I'm going to show you how to get your 10 milligram CBD gummies for about 8 cents a piece, your 25 milligram CBD gummies for about 16 cents a piece, and your 50 milligram CBD gummies for about 28 cents a piece. I'm Tim, and I'm here with my wife, Anita. And if you use CBD gummies, I'm going to show you how you can save hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars on your CBD gummy products. Now, we've been manufacturing high quality CBD products for over 6 years. And in that time, we've learned a lot. The truth is, you are paying way too much for your CBD gummies. So stick with me for a few minutes because I guarantee you it'll be worth every minute of your time. I'm going to break down the manufacturing cost of CBD and show you exactly how you can slash your gummy cost in a big way. And trust me, you'll want to stay to the end of this video because I've got two great offers for you, which includes a valuable code that will get you all the CBD you want for 1/2 cent per milligram. We're going to show you how to make your own CBD gummies and save a lot of money. So why are the retail costs so high? It's not the CBD, it's the manufacturing process. And I'm going to show you how to get your CBD for making your own gummies for 1/2 cent per milligram. That's literally 5 cents of CBD per 10 milligram gummy, 12.5 cents for a 25 milligram gummy, and 25 cents for a 50 milligram gummy. Now, there are hundreds of videos to show how to make regular gummies, so I'm not going to waste your time right now on that. Just go to YouTube or do a computer search, and you'll find tons of recipes. The costs usually average about 1 to 3 cents per gummy. Now, the CBD industry has grown, but so have the prices. Now, let me break it down for you. Why CBD products are so expensive. And it's not because the CBD itself costs a fortune. The truth is, CBD in a 1,000 milligram product costs the manufacturer less than $1. That's right, less than $1. And the CBD in a 10 milligram gummy costs them less than 1 cent. Yes, I said that's less than 1 cent. So why are you paying $1 or more at a CBD retailer? It's the cost of running the whole business. When you buy that jar or bag of gummies, you're not just paying for the CBD. You're covering all the extra expenses that come with bringing that product to market. The bottle or bag, the label, the heat sealing, the box and the box label, the labor, the advertising, office space, warehousing, lab technicians, certificates of analysis. And then there's the actual contents of the gummy, the flavoring, the coloring, and don't forget about shipping. All of this is before the business even adds a profit. But that's not all. And here's where it gets even pricier. After the manufacturer produces the product and adds a markup for a profit margin, many sell it to a distributor who adds their markup. The distributor sells it to a wholesaler who adds another markup. Then the wholesaler sells it to a retailer who adds yet another markup. By the time it gets to you, that original cost is multiplied several times over. Even when a manufacturer sells directly to the customers, they still price their products at that market rate because they can. Our secret? It's not really a secret. It's streamlined cost. By making your own gummies, you pay only for the CBD, the carrier oil that's in the CBD, and the actual gummy ingredients. This is bulk hemp CBD. It's how we purchase it. It's 2.2 pounds or 1 kilo. It contains 1 million milligrams of bulk CBD. It's 87% pure CBD, meaning there is 870,000 milligrams of CBD in it. The rest is made up of CBG, CBN, CBC, and under 0.3% THC as required by federal law, as well as some natural hemp terpenes. Now, we use a scientific formula where we make it into a 400 milligrams per milliliter concentrate, a concentrate you can measure and use at home. This is a jar of 400 milligrams per milliliter full spectrum concentrate after we mix it. And here is a milliliter of CBD concentrate. It contains 400 milligrams of CBD. Each quarter marking on the syringe adds 100 milligrams of CBD. Now, this is a bottle showing 1,000 milligrams of CBD next to a 1 ounce bottle of tincture. So you can see the rest of the bottle is made up of 27.5 milliliters of carrier oil, usually an MCT or olive oil. Now, I've watched videos of people instructing others to add whole bottles of CBD tinctures that they purchase for $60 to $80 to their gummy recipes just to add CBD. That's crazy, and that's some expensive gummies. We generally sell the CBD concentrate at 1 cent per milligram, meaning 1,000 milligrams of CBD would cost $10. If you're making 10 milligram gummies, that would make 100 gummies, or 10 cents per gummy of CBD. If you are making 25 milligram gummies, it would make 40 gummies, or 25 cents of CBD per gummy. But since you stayed, and to get you started and to show how easy this is, I'm going to give you an unlimited amount of 400 milligrams per milliliter concentrated CBD right now for half cent per milligram. That's 1,000 milligrams for $5. That's 50% off. You simply can't beat that. You just need to know how many gummies your recipe makes and multiply that number times the amount of CBD that you want in each of your gummies. So if you're making 40 gummies at 10 milligrams each, you would add 1 milliliter of CBD. That's 400 milligrams. If you're making 25 milligram gummies, you would add 2.5 milliliters. That's 1,000 milligrams of CBD. We have a workbook to show you how to measure out any amount that you want, and you can access the workbook in the comments below. It's entirely free. Now, to get the half cent full spectrum CBD, go to our website, mainstreetdigitalacademy.com, and go to the MSDA Superstore. At checkout, use the code half-cent-CBD, and you will get your first purchase of full spectrum CBD for a half cent per milligram. You can also purchase isolate CBD at 200 milligrams per milliliter, or you can purchase it as a powder at 987 milligrams per gram. You can have your choice of any or all. Now, caution, you can only use this code once, so get all the CBD you will want or need. After that, it will cost you 1 cent per milligram, or you can join our membership and get everything for half price again for life. While you're at the Superstore, don't forget any supplies you may need, such as syringes, gummy molds, flavorings, etc. I hope you found this presentation helpful, so do me a favor, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss one of our videos. We've got more great tutorials coming soon showing how to make every CBD product you need, along with more free lessons. If you have a specific product you would like to learn to make or have any questions, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Check out the links in the description below, and don't forget to copy down your code to get your half price CBD. Have a great day.